That's how you do this shit. Nature walk with your hounds. Be easy. Man. That's how you do this shit. Come on. Camille. Kojo, Qatar, Camille. Gotta bring that shit around. Throw that shit down. Thought you had something. Y'all ain't raw yet. Y'all ain't raw like that. Come here. Watch, I'm gonna spike her up. She be getting mad. What's that? Qatar. Who that? Who that? Good girl. Who that? She be tired. Who that? Good girl. Good boy. Come on. Good girl. Good boy, right? Who that? Watch that. Stop, Kojo. Team, nigga. You trying to play. See, Kojo's still a puppy. Kojo like 8 months now. He ain't taking his job serious. I might get 5. Fuck. Good shit on it. Oh shit, trip. Kojo. Good boy. Come here. Kojo. Got it out. Hold on, y'all. I just wanted to get some footage of them in here. Let me get off this camera before we run into some people and shit. But I'll see y'all, man. Just wanted to show y'all this. Like I said, this is a nice little trail with the DG and the hounds, man. You can't beat it. Get you some, man. Protective as hell, too. All right. Yeah.